Hey everyone, if you're anything like me, you believe that a good burger isn't just a meal, it's an experience. Today, I'm on a mission to introduce you to the tastiest burger ever, and trust me, you won't want to miss this. Let's set the scene. Imagine biting into a burger so juicy, so flavorful, that with every bite, you feel a burst of deliciousness. That's what we're talking about today. This isn't just any burger, it's a masterpiece of culinary craft, a beacon for burger lovers everywhere. First, let's talk about what makes a burger great. Is it the quality of the beef, the freshness of the buns, or perhaps the unique blend of toppings that adds that extra punch? Well, it's all of those elements combined. But what I'm about to show you takes things to a whole new level. Picture this. Prime beef that's been perfectly seasoned and grilled to just the right point of juiciness, layered between freshly baked buns that are soft yet firm enough to hold everything together. Top that with some crisp lettuce, a slice of melt-in-your-mouth cheddar, and a dollop of secret sauce. That's the cherry on top of this gastronomic delight. But hey, don't just take my word for it. Let's see the reactions of people who are tasting this burger for the first time. Watch their expressions. It's like a journey of flavors unfolds right before their eyes. That moment of surprise when they realize they're not just eating a burger, they're enjoying a masterpiece. Every bite, every moan of delight tells a story. A story of passion, precision, and the pursuit of the perfect burger. Whether you're a die-hard foodie or just someone who appreciates a good meal, this is something you've got to try. So, what are you waiting for? Dive into the delicious world of the ultimate burger and let your taste buds be the judge. It's more than just eating. It's about experiencing joy, one bite at a time. And who knows, this might just become your new favorite. That's it for today, folks. I hope this peek into the world of the ultimate burger has sparked your appetite. Remember, life's too short for average food. Go out there and treat yourself to a burger that's worth every calorie. Until next time, keep tasting and exploring the flavors of the world.